Hey friends, it's me, Andre Fontenot, and I've got some big news. It's April. That means warm weather. What are you doing inside in this great warm weather, Andre? Okay, let me change that. Okay, I've listened to your great suggestion. I'm outside. Now I want you to listen to my great suggestion. Be prepared in the month of April because it's Internship Month at the Magna Career Center. That means every Tuesday and Thursday from 12:30 to 2, we've got a great event for you. We've partnered again with our great sponsor, Aon, to bring you how to find paid internship experiences in media, arts, education, humanities, STEM, and business. Then we're going to help you understand how you can turn an internship into an offer, both from the employer's perspective and that of an intern's. So if you're a freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, or grad student, we can't wait to see you every Tuesday and Thursday at 12:30 to 2. And together we will partner to make your career go as far as you want it to.